the Tablets in Schools project is a very important one. Every child needs to know how to use digital devices if they are going to survive in the world that is.
My name is Nicolette McDonough Foster. I'm principal of Alpha Infant School. GeoTechVision was in the conception when we were engaged with the Tablets in School program. In the program, what we liked is that they started at the foundation, the early childhood level. We have 4- and 5-year-olds engaging in the use of the tablets. And it helps to self-correct. There are times when the teacher is engaged with a larger class setting. So one-on-one, that kind of relationship, it's best for a child, and a particular skill set that the child may be lacking in, the child is able to master using the device on their own. GeoTechVision did not just help us by distributing the tablets. They came in and they personally dealt with the damage on site, and I found that very impressive. So for us, GeoTechVision's tablets have served us since then, the conception of the Tablet in School program, and we are still utilizing them. As we speak, the students have been engaged using the tablets in September. We would like that these kind of tablets are the ones that we get. Not only did GeoTechVision listen to us, but they also provided that insights. When we need headsets, they could have gone and provided, but they told us with the smaller ones, it is cheaper to get the models that were inexpensive. And then if it was broken, it was easy for the parents to replace. And that has worked very wonderful for us. So here at Alpha Infant School, we cannot say anything less than that they have provided an immaculate service. And even outside of the program, we could call and engage them about any matter on the technology, and they would have participated willingly. These tablets were durable. We have had them fallen. We have had the tablets sometimes in places that it should not be. They're 4- and 5-year-olds. But the quality tablet we got, the sound was good. Even the specs on the tablets, yes, they were efficient. We were able to charge them and charge them accurately. The tablet itself was very adequate for the early childhood level. We got a partner, and we found it very welcoming when they would stop in and check to see if any device was malfunctioning, or if we needed any other advice as it relates to what and how to download certain aspects of technology. So for us, GeoTechVision has been a very good partner with Alpha Infant School, and we continue to laud them. They have been very professional, they engage, and we're an early child institution. We tend to get left behind. But for us, GeoTechVision saw us as #1 priority. That's how we felt in them providing such a service. And therefore, we can speak to nothing less than GeoTechVision is a good entity for us to embrace. We have experienced it, and therefore we can speak about it.
And so this represents our contribution to this whole digital transformation. Because if you start with the kids, then they develop that culture of thinking digitally and using digital tools. And that will be a game changer for our society. And that's why it's so important for us in GeoTechVision to make sure that this project is a success.